Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs the required iOS and that wallet is enabled. Open Jazzcash and sign in. This links your account to the phone. Once done, enable biometrics, Face ID or Touch ID, so Apple Wallet can authorize payments quickly. You need your CNIC and a linked debit/credit card on hand. These verify identity and complete tokenization. Follow prompts in Jazzcash to prepare the payment method for adding to Apple Wallet now. You now perform the core steps. In the Jazzcash app, go to the cards or wallet area and choose Add to Apple Wallet. When prompted, tap Add. The app will request verification. Enter the OTP sent to your phone or confirm with biometrics. This step creates a secure token, not your raw card number, and that's why it's safer. Make sure billing and name details match your bank record because mismatches cause rejections. Once the tokenization begins, watch for the success message before moving on. You finish by switching to Apple Wallet and confirming the Jazzcash entry is present and active. Tap the card to verify details and set it as default if you want faster checkouts. Then test with a small tap-to-pay transaction or an in-app purchase to ensure authorization flows correctly. If something goes wrong, retry the verification step and ensure cellular or Wi-Fi is stable. Make sure your Jazzcash account and bank details match exactly. If tokenization still fails, contact Jazzcash support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.